In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email using email action through Salesforce Flow Builder. First, sign in to your Salesforce account and head to Setup. If you see an option for Advanced Setup, open it to get the full admin view. In the Quick Find box, search for Flows, then open the Flows page and choose New Flow. For this walkthrough, we'll use a screen flow. A screen flow lets you guide users through a simple interface, collect input, and then run automated steps behind the scenes. Perfect when you want a user to provide an email address or confirm details before sending. Open the toolbox and create a new resource. A resource is data your flow can use or change as it runs. We'll make a variable so the flow can store and reference an email address. Give the variable a clear API name, select text as the data type, and mark it available for input. Making it available for input allows you to set its value from a screen component or when launching the flow from elsewhere, which keeps your design flexible. Click Done to save the resource. Back on the canvas, click the plus icon to add an element and choose Action. Actions are pre-built operations, like sending emails or creating records, that the flow can execute without code. Search for and select Send Email. This built-in action uses Salesforce's email infrastructure and respects org-level settings and permissions. Provide a descriptive label for the action. Salesforce will automatically populate the API name based on that label. In the recipient field, select the variable you created, such as var email, so the flow sends to whatever address the user or calling process supplies. Set the sender type to current user to send the message from the user running the flow. This helps maintain context and improves deliverability. Next, enter a clear subject. Consider something concise that matches your business process. In the body, write the message content. Keep it informative and, if needed, include merge fields you've captured earlier in the flow to personalize the email. When you're satisfied, click Save. Provide a flow label that clearly describes the purpose of the flow. The API name will be generated automatically for you. Click Save again to store your work. That's the process from start to finish. Create a screen flow. Define a text variable that's available for input. Add a send email action. Point it at your variable for the recipient. Choose current user as the sender. Craft your subject and body, and save the flow. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.